Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Now, I've just had a courier arrive. I'm quite excited because I've ordered some more new tools, and the box has just arrived, so bit of a mail call. Let's look and see what's inside. Here we go. I've been umming and ahhing about buying these tools for quite a while, and there's a reason for it. Oh, look at that shiny stuff. Jeez. Oh, wow. Wasn't expecting that. Golly, how does this open? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, right. Okay, so I think they've given me the box. Not sure if it actually comes with a box or not. Another charger. Lithium ion and NEMA, so that does both types. That's great. And inside here, we'll get it all. Bump. Never read that. We've got a 18 volt electric BB gun, basically, and the largest that Makita do in the 18 volt range, about 1/2 inch. So that one there is 3/8, all for all the little niddly stuff. And this one, oh, look at that. Now I'm told this is 1,000 Newton meters. Bloody good. Oh, and it's brushless. No wonder it's so bloody expensive. Another spare battery. We'll get those on charge. Great stuff. And a box. So chuffed. Look at that. Stick that one on there. Brilliant. Oh. A pair of impact wrenches for the Andy Mechanic workshop. Look at that. Yeah, not cheap. I think the retail in New Zealand for those is about $1,500 for the pair. And basically, I bought the little one just without any batteries and stuff, because I've got a few batteries now. I bought 2 batteries not so long ago. And this one is the 5 amp hour batteries, so even more capacity. Brilliant. So I've got quite a range of batteries now, including the one that I managed to fix. That seems to work okay. So you may ask, why have I gone to cordless power tools, given the huge expense of replacement batteries and so on? And I do think that these kind of tools, you know, they do cost more to run in the end. I think air tools are cheaper. You know, the air compressor I've got outside, it does okay. It's not great. It's an old one. I only paid 100 New Zealand dollars for it, and it's the old school type. It's not made in China. God knows where it's made, but it's really good quality. It's a V-twin, so it kicks out a reasonable CFM. Although I have no idea because all that information's been lost. But no, why have I gone for cordless? Well, when I'm filming, the last thing I want is the air compressor firing up in the background, and then it sort of kills the audio. Plus the airline, it usually leaks a little bit on the connectors. You can't really help that sometimes, and that also spoils the audio. And let's face it, there's a bit of maintenance goes on with us with the air tools as well. You've got to oil them and look after them, and they do lose power over time. The 2 Tang Tools ones that I've got, again 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, they're really, really good, and I've had no problems at all with them, but they're still quite new. Who knows how long they're going to last. But these, I think these are going to be great. So you're going to see these in action in a lot more of the future videos, and less air tools, I think. Well, there you go. We'll find out just how good these tools are, won't we, and give you a bit of feedback. Was it worth spending over $1,000 on these two? I didn't pay quite as much as that, and obviously thanks to Makita New Zealand, not a sponsor. It was just one of their agents did me a really good deal, knowing my background and the fact it's going to help to spread the Makita word a little bit. But I'll be giving you a valued feedback on how well these things perform for definite. But I've got no problems at all with my old Makita drill I've had for quite a few years now, and a grinder as well, which works very well. Okay, crew, well, if you want to post your comments, any feedback that you've got, if you've got one of these tools, then let me know how you've got on with it, if there's anything I should be aware of, and stick it in the comments and we can talk about it, basically. Alright chaps, well if you enjoyed the video, why not click on the subscribe button, you'll see a little gear icon turn up, click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. You'll also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. And of course there is a Patreon page where you can drop onto there, read all about the history of the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel, what's up and coming as regards projects and so on, plans for the channel, the future, so to speak. And of course, if you fancy donating, you can drop a few dollars through that portal as well. Alright chaps, well, a very short video, and there'll be no adverts on this one, I'm pretty sure of that. Alright crew, see you next time. Cheers, over and out.